We are not just going to talk about the profitable business ideas you can start this year with zero capital and make a lot of money from. I will also be telling you how to start each one. Listen, you see number 4. God, I have personally done that business in the past and I made so much money from it. I'll be sharing all the tea with you. If you're a woman, I'll be looking for passive income ideas, business or side hustle ideas, generally how to make money online, how to build wealth. Welcome home, sis. On this channel, we are all about securing the bag together. Okay, and watch on, we shall be selecting the 2 lucky winners from the last week videos. And of course, from this video comment, we are also going to be selecting 2 more people. Are you one of them? Okay, let's go. Number 1 business idea you can start with little or no capital: cleaning business. How come people are not talking about this? Hey, so I don't know if I have told this story before. There is a lady that cleans my house. She comes a few times in a month and I know how much I pay her. So one time we got discussing and she told me she also has a full-time job, also cleaning in a company. She told me how much they pay her and I'm like, I don't understand. Why? I think then was it about 30-something thousand, but it's less than 40,000. I called her, we strategized. I told her, okay, how about you leave that job and you get more clients that you clean their house for maybe once a week. That means 5 clients in a month and I'm paying you, let's say, an average of 30K each. How much do you think she will make in a month? So we did this and I put an advert for her and a lot of people showed interest. And now, in fact, at the point I was even considering, should I start an agency for this business? And that's also something else you can do. You don't have to be the one doing the cleaning yourself. You can start an agency where you get people around. A lot of people are looking for jobs. In fact, a lot of cleaners. Someone like Canada is earning just like something thousand. And you tell them you'll be paying them 50,000. They will jump at it. So get these people, buy the equipment, talk to your network, advertise the business. When you get contracts, call these people, they go and do the cleaning. And remember, it's not just houses, offices, construction sites. Just make sure that you are vetting the people you are employing because they'll be working in people's home. So you need to pick people that are trustworthy. Number 2 business you can start with little or no capital: meal prep for fitness gang, the weight loss gang. Hey, so recently, let me even tell you my own. Recently, I said I'm going to be doing a fruit and veggies only dieting. For 5 days, I will not eat food. So just fruit and vegetables. I don't really have time to start preparing these things myself. I asked on Instagram, who knows a brand that does something like this? Healthy ones alone. They tagged one page, we got talking, they sent me stuff, I pay them, Imagine this is something you specialize on. Not just any type of meal prep, but basically for people that are looking to maybe lose weight or people that are on different journey when it's on their weight loss journey. So what you can do, you can partner with gyms, you can partner with fitness instructors, you can even partner with doctors. There are a lot of nutritionists online that are active, telling people what to eat, what not to eat, this kind of people. You can partner with them. When they have clients, most times they just send the clients a plan, but not everybody has the time to prepare these things. So partner with them, they link you up to their clients. You can start have maybe a monthly subscription, or it can be a one-off where you prepare this meal and send to them in batches. It depends, but my sister, there is money in this and there are not much people doing it. So this is an opportunity for you to make good money. Number 3 business idea you can start with little or no capital: wedding business. Hey, all we see is that she said yes. Guess who just got a ring? Have you thought of the people that make these things happen? There is a lot of money in the wedding industry. You can be the wedding planner, it can be the photography, it can be the catering, but you see that ecosystem, my sister, there is money there and we are getting this money. So ask yourself, which part do you want to play? Where do you want to come in? And the good thing is that it's always a lot already existing for you to partner on. And the good thing is that there are already platforms you can leverage on. Partnership is key in this. So assuming you say you want to do planning, fine. Who should you be talking to? Maybe relationship counselors, okay? Maybe influencers that attend to singles. I don't know. Just think, where will you find your target audience? You say it's catering, fine. Go and meet wedding planners. You say it's photography. Just get into that ecosystem. Get into that industry. There is a lot of money to be made. Just pick the one you want to do. Photography. Hey, these people. Because a lot of people are looking for reliable people to cover whatever their event. If you strictly brand yourself that you are only going to be capturing wedding moment, my sister, you are going to be hot cake, hot cake. So look into this. There is money in that industry. At this point, I want to believe that you have hit that subscribe button. My sister, hit the subscribe button right away, because I know, in fact, the fact that you're watching this video, it tells me that you're intentional about your finances. You want to make more with your money. And I'm proud of that. I'm proud of you. Welcome to the community. This community of ours. Don't worry, we are going to the next level. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go. Number 4, this one. I have done this business. My sister, we don't hustle in this life. Oh. I have done this particular one, and oh my God, I made so much money from it. If not because of time, but you know, over time, you need to move on to other things. Number 4 is thrift business. How did I do this? So back then, it was blazer and gowns. That's the number 1 secret in this business. Niche down. Let us know you for a particular thing. You can pick you can pick dresses, you can pick blazers, you can pick workout wear. Some people even do thrift bag, but there's money in that field. Just pick one you want to be known for, and then find good supply. If you're in Lagos, you have places like Yaba, Arena. You can buy at good prices at these places. And if you don't have the money to buy the full bill yet, no problem. Go and select. Pick clean ones. Iron them. You don't have to wash them. Just iron them. Don't be like all those people that will be posting dirty looking things. No. There's some thrift pages you will see. To wear thrift, they hungry you. Iron them very well. Snap them. My sister, there is money in that business. I remember that time. We'll buy bill how much? Maybe cost price might be around 200 or thereabout, but we were selling it 3,000 as at then, and people go, they rush them, because the way you pick clean ones, of course. Make sure you pick clean ones, you iron very well. There is money in that business. In fact, if you want me to make like a detailed video on thrift business alone, let me know in the comment section. Not just that, everything I was talking about so far, if there's anyone you need full detailed video on, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna do it for you. This morning, we are getting it. And finally, on our list of business ideas, you can start with little or no capital to make good money, is juice business, juicing. Families, keys, businesses, these are your customers. Even restaurants. My sister, you know the trick here? Enter the bush market. Don't go and buy from a bucket in your streets and say you want to buy from them and do your juicing. It's be expensive for you. Enter. There's some market that very early in the morning, people from the villages, they come to sell this food. Go there, meet them, buy them at affordable rate, cheap prices. And then when you watch them very well, juice these things. You can reach out to restaurants. You can even start from people in your area. Tell them that you sell this thing. Over time, we begin to know you with it. And as you grow, you can now start thinking of branding and registration and everything. But start small. It's very affordable. Sometimes you can buy a basket of food for very cheap prices. But when you juice and package them, how much do they say? I think many people sell over 2,000 naira per bottle now. And this can be you making good money from this business. Okay, over to our winners from last week's videos. We're going to display their handle on the screen. And if you are the person with this handle, check the email address on the caption. Send me an email with your bank details. I'm going to transfer your money to you. And I'm hoping that that money will go into your investment portfolio. Thank you once more for being a part of this community. And of course, in next week's video, we are going to have 2 winners again to win 10,000 naira each to add to your investment portfolio. Congrats in advance. Congrats for our winners. And thank you for being a part of this channel. Invite all your girlies that like money, that like to, money moves now. You see, this year, it will not pass us by. So let's see our winners. Congrats, ladies. See you in the next video. And hit the subscribe button if you have not done that. Let me know in the comments, what topic do you want me to talk about in the next video? Just let me know. I'm here for you. Whatever you want me to talk about, if it is expanding one of the points I mentioned today on how you can make money with little or zero capital, let me know the particular business. I can make a full video so that you can start right away. Bye.